Hello everybody, welcome. I am the old food guy, but today I've got Aldi's George Foreman. Now these cost me, believe it or not, £9.99 from Aldi's. £9.99p. You believe that? Under a tenner. So I thought, I seen it and I thought, well, I'll get that. I mean, I've had them before. But for that price, for £10, why not try it? So let's open it up. Right then. I say £9.99p. I couldn't believe it. Let's open this up. So I've had them before, I've had the original ones before. But that's been gone a long time, and I saw this and I thought, oh, you know, and with the price of electric going up now, cut your electric bill down a little bit, I suppose. But there's the warranty. For the price, I'm not even going to bother about that. 3-year warranty sticker there, you get 3 years on it. That's quite handy actually, for a tenner, but it's the instruction booklet. Don't need to look at that till I start cooking. So let's get it open, let's get it out. You see that? I mean, there ain't a lot to them, is there, to be fair, so. When you say it's family size, so does that mean family of 4 or what? I don't know. Might say, I suppose, on the instructions somewhere. There it is. Looks a bit space age. Got a little drip tray for it as well, I suppose. I mean, it's quite big, to be fair. I mean, you've probably got, what, 3 pieces of chicken in there, I suppose, or something, depending on how thick they are. A couple of bits of steak. Does it turn on? Yeah, red and green light. I mean, it doesn't feel flimsy, to be fair. Turn that off a minute. I suppose that just rests under there, doesn't it, I suppose? Or does it fit in? I think it fits under there, doesn't it, at the bottom like that. That's quite handy. Yeah, it fits under there. The one we had before, it used to just slide there and that. I think that clicks under. I think. Yeah, like that. That's handy. Well, there you go. I just thought I'd show you that. Something nice and simple. Says on the box, obviously. What's it say? Non-stick coating. Stop food from sticking. I always find when you use these though, you put a bit of oil on it. Slope design, yeah, that's just the normal stuff, isn't it? Power light. Floating hinge. Vertical storage, so you can stand it up. Slip resistant feet. They're not very slippery, slip resistant, are they? Look. Suppose you wouldn't be moving it when you was cooking it though. Steak looks nice. 1500 watt. So it doesn't say anything about what size family though. No. Well, so I thought I'd show you that, you know, for the money. £9.99p. I think we should do some cooking here. Should we cook something? Yeah, let's cook something. Right, my lads are a bit hungry, so I'm just gonna do my cheese toasty. So I just got myself 2 slices of bread. I buttered them. So he's hungry, so I thought, well, I'll do him one of these. And he likes that cheese. Burger cheese. That's the only cheese he likes. So I gave the grill a wash. And I've just got it on preheat. So it takes a few minutes. So once that's preheated, we'll get it in and we'll just test it. Just a nice little test. As I say, £9.99p from Aldi. So we'll just see. Right, that's heated up now. I'm just going to spray a bit of one spray on here. Like so. I'm just going to get a bit of bread, butter side down. Get myself a couple of cheese on. So this is only a test, just to see if it's okay and that. You always get that stinking smell when you first have a new gadget. Put the bread on, butter side up. And just leave it like that. Check it in a few minutes. See how it's doing. Well, that's been a couple of minutes now. I haven't even opened it or looked at it. So let's have a quick look. Oh yes, look at that beauty. Look at that gorgeous thing there, look. Let's turn that off. That took about 2.5 minutes. Oh wow. Oh yeah, oh that's hot. Look at it. It's just a little tester this is. Just to see what it's like. And it seems pretty okay. Give this a cut. It's cheese. Sammy lad only likes cheese, doesn't like ham or anything. It's a bit weird. What I say? For £9.99, Aldi. They had no price marks on them. I had to ask the lady how much there was. So I don't know whether they're in sale or what. But they're worth it for the money. Absolutely. So anyway, I am the old food guy. I just thought I'd show you that. Give us a like, give us a subscribe, leave us a comment. Till the next time, see you later. Bye bye.